Hey, welcome back, Dragons. I am glad to see that you're checking out video 2 here so you can learn how to convert from feet per second into miles per hour. Now, the way I'm going to show you how to do this is going to be with math formulas so that you can see how the labels work out without just going in and blindly putting in the label that you think that you should have. And in order to do so, I've taken the answer from the first problem and wrote it 1.75 feet per second. But notice how I wrote it. 1.75 is our numerator, 1.75 feet, and our denominator is 1 second. Remember, this is a fraction and a division problem, but in order to turn this into from feet per second into feet per minute, we need to multiply. I'm going to pause this video so that I can rewrite the formula real quick. So if we know that there's 60 seconds in a minute, we use the ratio 60 to 1, turned into a division problem like this right here, where we have seconds in the numerator and minutes in the denominator. So just like multiplying fractions, we're going to multiply 1.75 times 60, because we're just multiplying the numerators. And when we multiply 1.75 times 60, we get 105. But now, as far as labels go, in the previous video you heard me say we cannot divide words, so we're going to leave the label as it is. And you're probably all rolling your eyes being like, duh, Decker, we know you can't divide words. But now we are going to divide words. We're going to cross off the labels that you see that are in both the numerator and the denominator. So you notice we have seconds in the numerator right here, and we have seconds in the denominator right here. Those are going to divide out just like we're simplifying fractions. So I'm going to divide those out. So notice how I crossed off seconds here in the denominator and seconds here in the numerator, leaving us with the only label of feet in the numerator here and minutes in the denominator down here, giving us our answer in 105 feet per minute. So I'm going to use that last answer, 105 feet per minute, but now I need to take that times the ratio of 60 minutes in 1 hour. And since we want to get rid of minutes and be left with hours, notice I put minutes in the numerator and hours in the denominator. So just like in the last one, we're going to multiply the fraction, where we multiply across 105 times 60 gives us 6,300. And then minutes, because we have a minutes in the numerator and a minutes in the denominator, those are going to divide out, and our label that we have left is feet per hour, giving us 6,300 feet per hour. But now we're going to convert that into miles per hour, and the way I set up this fraction is going to be slightly different, so bear with me. So this time I set up the original answer the exact same way, where we have 6,300 feet per hour. But this time, because we want to have our answer in miles per hour, we need to get feet. So if we have feet in the numerator here, in order to get rid of it, we need to put it in the denominator over here, which means we have mile in the numerator. So we're using the ratio of 1 mile is 5,280 feet, where feet is in the denominator because feet is the label that we want to get rid of. So just like when we would multiply fractions, we can multiply across, or in this case, we're going to divide 6,300 divided by this denominator over here, and we're going to get 1.2. But because we have a feet in the numerator, looking at the labels now, I have the label of feet in the numerator here and feet in the denominator here, we can divide those out as well. And the only labels that we have left in our original formula is miles here and hours here, which leaves us with the only possible label of 1.2 miles per hour. And that's how you convert from feet per second to miles per hour. You can also use this strategy to convert from pretty much any unit, like fluid ounces to liters, or pounds to kilograms, or feet to yards. Anything like that can be done following this formula. I know this is a little bit complex and I've thrown a lot at you, so please feel free to email me, ask me in class if you have any questions. I'm here for you. I want to help you. Good luck. You got this. I know you can do it. Bye.